first of all, before I am going to start, so I will note down these things also, because you can verify my videos also. If not only now you don't have a time, then also later after your interview also you can check it. Okay, so first one is like a pipelining. Okay, so before going to the pipelining part, okay, so I want to tell something like upstream and downstream. So workflow, these are a different kind of words are there, so all are almost like a similar part only. Okay, so I'm not going to take that part now, so because don't have that much time. So now only Marvin with the pipeline. So that is just pipeline if possible, at least Marvin kind of stuff. Okay, guys, understand what is upstream and downstream here. Here one project is there, so I have a project. For example, project 1, project 2, project 3, like this. Project 4 is there. Okay, here it is. First project is executed. Okay, so it is, once this first project is executed, you are telling do the second one automatically. First project is build successful. If it is successful, build the second one. Okay, if it is successful, second one also project execution completed, do the third one, and third one is successful, do the fourth one. Like we can create a 4 projects, you can create a like a 4 5 6 projects, and each project at a post build setup you have to tell once it is successful, if successful, build this one. Okay, if this project is completed, build this one. If this project is completed, build this one. So you have to link all these projects together. So what is the advantage is, instead of doing everything in one single project, stage by stage we can understand. For example, this project is failed. This project means some execution of some code or testing or something. For example, this is the like this project only take the code from git. This one is execute the code from the git. Okay, this is for testing, this is for deploying. Okay, this is just testing, like a, this is a compiling, testing, deploying. So what happened? Compilation failure, so it won't follow the remaining. Immediately the developer will get a mail or maybe a notification, so you will see compilation is wrong. So what happened? Is a code error or a script error or maybe environmental error, so immediately will verify and set it back and start executing again. Okay, so this is like a upstream and downstream means creating one by one projects, link the projects together, linking the projects together. Okay, so normally it is like a, it is a upstream project, it is a downstream project like this. So that is one thing. From here only this pipelining came. Pipelining and workflow is almost same only. Okay, so
Sir,
one
can
day,
you explain one more time what is upstream and downstream?
yeah, this is a simple thing. Otherwise we can create it very easy. Like I created a multiple projects, individual projects. Okay, for example, totally here I created a 4 projects. For example, I link the each project, I link each project. Okay, one to one, like a step by step, like a one to one I put it. I told here first one, this project is executed successful, then do second one automatically. So you don't need to build second, third, fourth, you have to build first one only. You build a first one, you click on a build now for a first one. Second, third, fourth, automatically build once each one is successful. First one is successful, automatically second one will build automatically. Okay, if second one is build successful, then third one will build automatically. For example, third one is failed. Third one is failed. The what are the build setup you given, or a project or wise any error issue is occur, it is failed. Now fourth one also won't build because I given if successful only. If successful, it means if third one is successful, fourth one will build automatically. If third one is not successful, fourth one won't build. Okay, so like that, it happens. If something is error occur, when something is error occur, obviously the developer knows something has happened, will verify the third one only, and it meaning is first and second is successful, only problem at third one. Currently third one is as a problem, so he will verify, it will set it back, and he will run again. So then if third one is good, then fourth one will run. So this is a multiple projects, by linking each other we can run it. Okay, so what is this upstream and downstream? Upstream means it's like a which is like a no. Actually, we have to write in a vertical order, then like this. Vertical order, if you write, then you can understand easily. Okay, like this. If first is successful, go to the second one, third one, like this. So for first one, second is downstream. Okay, for second, third one is downstream. Okay, for third one, second one is upstream, means previous one. Upstream means previous one, like a water flow. Water is there now, where water is started. For example, any Marathi guys may people understand, like Nasik is a upstream, means where actually the originally the our Godavari or Krishna, which one is Nasik, Godavari or Krishna river?
Godavari.
Hey, Godavari, very good. I know it. Okay, just for people are already exhausted, that's why I ask. Okay, its a starting point is Nasik, for example. It is starting and it is flowed to the down. Same concept. It is up means this is a previous project, and down means next project. So for one, second one is down, and third one is down for a second one, like down. Up means the previous one. This is up. Okay, upstream and downstream. So anywhere issues occur, third one is not working. So obviously there is a report. So which one is up and which one is down, and where is the issue is occur. So the developer knows, and our tester, who are the team people knows, and immediately we can take care. Either it is problem in a upstream project, also problem can be there. It reflected on third one. Okay, so then they will verify both the project linking and as well as coding, testing, individual things, everything. We don't involve in the project things. Okay, this is upstream and downstream. So down, up. Okay. um, uh, Next one is of course I want to go to Marvin, but I will explain the pipeline also. What is this pipeline? Same as upstream. Workflow and pipeline is same thing here. Multiple projects, it is not a multiple projects here. Instead of creating a multiple projects, we'll create a single project only. Here we create as a single project only, but here we'll tell in a stepwise. What are the steps? We'll see here. It is I think this is the better option. We go to the new one. Okay, so what are the steps? We'll see here. Here for example, this is my project one only, but this is the stage one, like one, two, 3, 4, 5, like that. Stages are there. For example, here it is. I want to take code from the Git. That is my first stage. Okay. I want to tell first compile. What happened? Compile. Okay. Then this is a test. Maybe if test is okay, then do package. Maybe I want to deploy last. Like I created some steps. Each one may require a multiple steps also. Okay, stages. Sorry, stages. This is source code stage, compiling stage, test stage, packaging stage, or a build, deploy, or a install stage. So stages we created. In each stage we have a separate steps also there. For example, compile state, like a clean, then compile. Test stage may have a like a clean test, like a steps. Here it is, clean, compile, test, package, install. Okay, like each stage has a steps. Okay, source code and environment. For example, mine is a Maven project. So what is my Maven? Where is my Maven home directory? It is located. Like we have to mention this one. Okay, so this is the pipeline. First of all, in the pipeline, it execute first stage. First stage successful, then go to the second stage. In second stage, we mention the steps. These are the steps, like that. So in again, next, once this is successful, you do second one, and test is failure. For example, here test is failure. In the test failure means obviously it won't go to the next one. Next stages will be stopped automatically. Okay, for example, test failure, it means stage 3 got failure. Automatically it won't go to next one. Immediately you have to concentrate on why test failure. Is it a code problem, or some application problem, or a command problem, script problem? So you have to verify and fix this issue, then only we can able to continue. Each stage what happened, we can able to view. We can able to view what happened in a each stage, and each step also we can verify. This is called a pipeline. Pipeline means like a flow, right? For example, you have a tank and you have a tap in your room, in your washroom, or like your kitchen. You have a tap is there. Are we getting directly, or maybe step by step? So where is the issue? For example, water tank is came, like a municipal water is there. It go to the sump to the tank, and tank to again individual houses. The step by step, it is like a pipeline is there. So where we got struck, next week is first week now in Pune, in a Pune, so we don't have a water in Pune in a first week, Thursday, I think. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, Thursday, we the water is stopped for every month. First week in generally Thursday they stop the water, and Friday we don't have a water. Friday they release the water, but we don't get a water on Friday because tank is already empty. So where is the problem? So like that, in a application development also, we have a different stages. Each stage better to view instead of say total failure, but where it is failure, right? So for example, you put a charging for your cell phone, no charging. Where is the problem? Charger problem, or maybe your power plug-in problem, or power cut is there. So where starting point only problem, or in middle of the problem or end of the problem. So like that we can able to understand. So we can understand a pipeline like this. So I given direct example instead of explaining in a that manner. Okay. Okay, so this is the pipeline. This pipeline having each pipeline having a steps, sorry, stages, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. Under each stage there is a steps, step 1, step 2, like that. So we can tell us steps. Okay, again you can, again stage, next stage, each stage execute, and it is good, steps, like this. It is keep going on, and we can view what happens there. So next one is Marvin. First I will show Marvin, then only not then only. So Marvin is a build tool. At least some tools we can complete it. It is a main important of build and test tool. Okay, Marvin is used to. It is belongs to Apache. Okay, Marvin is belongs to Apache only. Okay, it is a project software project management comprehens, comprehension tool based on the concept of uh, POM file, project object model. Okay, Marvin manage a project build reporting document from central piece of information. Okay, so I will give you very small information only. Later you can easily browse what about the Marvin, what Marvin will do. Okay, this kind of stuff you can do it. Okay, here it is. Marvin is just a you download a Marvin and you want to test it with a Marvin. It won't work like that. You have to create a project with a Marvin. You have to create a Marvin project on yourself. Okay, so to create it you can use Visual Studio Code, but in my Visual Studio Code I didn't put any Java or Marvin kind of stuff. Now I don't want it. So Marvin is I already created in my Eclipse. Okay, so I will tell just Marvin commands because we are not doing anything with the Marvin. So simple Marvin commands. Marvin has lot of libraries to do each and every task. If you put a clean means it remove all unnecessary things from your project based on your POM file. So it is works based on your POM dot XML. Guys, anybody tell what is XML? What is XML?
Extensive markup language.
What is the use of XML? Very good. What is the use of XML?
Is markup language like HTML? Need to dependence there.
Okay. Generally, XML files is like a configuration files. You're very good. Again, audio loss, connection loss. Okay, it is look like it is voice is came, but screen is still stuck, or maybe voice is not came. Okay. Guys, can you? Oh, again, audio problem. Hmm, 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 hmm. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I'll again. Bye. Yeah, the I didn't record this complete part. It's okay. Very good. We have it. Time is less. This is I created a project. Okay, so here I created a project. So allow Marvin, and I given a Marvin commands. So continuously, so these are the commands we run. So how to do with a GitHub? So only simple GitHub kind of stuff. Mm, yeah, what to do with the GitHub kind of stuff? Yeah, here it is. Same project. First of all, I want to do cleaning, so I don't want anything extra here. So I will take Marvin clean. So all the class files will be gone. Meanwhile, I will create a one Git link here. Uh, so here it is, Marvin project 6 for batch 6, and copy this link. You can do it directly from Eclipse also, no problem. But I'm doing from here. Git init. Next, git add. See why dot is important. There's so many files and folders are there. Everything you can't put it right. So like that. So git add. One by one we can't mention here. So better git commit fnm. Mm, any name you can, any name you can put it. Git commit. So commitment is completed. Now git remote add origin, remote add origin link. Now git push. The final one is git push origin master. Yeah, sadly I didn't record there, so you have to follow this record only. Okay, so it is in a GitHub. So finally, okay, so it is in GitHub. So take the link. Now we'll do how to execute Marvin project in a uh, here new file. Yeah, actually, Sar told us show some pipelining kind of stuff. Yeah, just logged out. So no problem. Okay, so I click on Marvin. Okay, so I put a Marvin project one. Any name you can put it. So just I put a Marvin project one. So this is Marvin project. I selected. Okay, so you can give 6 also, no problem. Marvin project 6 hyphen 1. It won't take hyphen 1. We'll see. So I selected a Maven project. So what we done in a command prompt, okay, Maven commands, what we done in a command prompt, we can do directly also. Okay, we can do with a Jenkins. So point is here, how to do manually, how to do automation. So in automation, so you don't need to type the commands and again and again. So any changes occur, any code changes occur. So you don't need to do anything. Again, just build it. That's it. How much time it will take? Yeah, actually, I didn't see. I thought it is simply I will execute a Marvin and I will show you. But instead of that one, I started explanation and I forget to log in. See, options are changed. So this is a Marvin project. Okay, source code. So where is the source code? So go to the Git and give the Git link. Okay, so it is showing error. Why error? Yeah, no error. Very good. And build triggers. Anything you want to add, you can add the build triggers. Automatically something is added. Um, Environment. So you want to delete the workspace. You want a date and stamp, and any option you want to add it. Like you want to add Marvin with a big ant also. Pre-steps are there. So first you have to go to pre-steps. Pom.xml is already there. Okay, so it's a build. It is a pre-build steps. So we can go to the steps and pre-step here. Uh, One second. Invoke top level Marvin targets. Select that one. Okay. Okay. Sorry, disturbance. Okay. Here it is. Pre steps. Invoke top level Marvin target. So I'm selecting my Marvin version M2, where I mentioned in Jenkins. Okay. Goals. What are the goals you want to do it? So like simple, clean, compile, and you want to clean again, clean test. Okay, like that. So you can give those things. Okay, or a package also you can tell. But I'm using only command clean compile. Compile is wrong. Compile, clean test. Okay. Next one is building. So here you can mention your goal if you want to mention. This one is like a clean package. So I'm doing package in the build. Okay, testing I'm doing in a pre steps. I'm doing testing and I'm doing package here. Okay, it's a pom.xml only, so no need to, that is showing error. That is, this is post step, means if it is successful, you want to build another project or you want to do any other kind of outcome you want it. If that is another email settings, post build actions, you'll get it. So no need to do anything, simple, just give like this. Okay, this is the Marvin project. Click on build now. So I mentioned things in here. Guys, if you have a time tomorrow, for example, if you got some time, then if we can just you can discuss with us, sir. Okay, so if you have a time tomorrow also there, okay, if you got some time, and if you want to go with pipelining and Docker, I can show you. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'm free all time. Or maybe if anybody is interested on Sunday, also we can put it on. So it is first, it took the code from the GitHub, and it will do one by one. So first it is doing clean. It is already 5 to 2. Okay, test build success going on. Afternoon is also okay, but I think Madhu sir class is there, right? Do you have a class in afternoon, guys?
Yes, sir. It starts
Yes,
at
sir. Yes, sir.
almost
Yeah, that's I'm thinking.
almost.
Sir, better make it tomorrow, sir.
Yeah, just we can discuss with
Hello.
Sai sir if tomorrow, if he is taking any other classes, time limit is there, no? That one. So if tomorrow you guys are free in the morning, then I will explain remaining thing. Okay, this is completed, guys. So it is doing all the kind of stuff one by one. Okay, you can disconnect it. Anyway, record I will forward the this go to meeting record anyway. Okay, you can have a lunch because I think 3:30 again you have to join, right?
3 o'clock, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Still testing recording results. Success. Success. So this is it. So success report.